decrement we are not worked out yet. So let's go for the execution of decrement operator. How this decrement operator will work out? What is the way to we go for the execution of this? So see guys, here if you want to perform the execution of decrement operator, what is the way to be work out? What is the way to be executed? I just want you to be compared rather than this. Now again, for the decrement there are the two options, pre-decrement and post-decrement. Now for the decrement we have two options, like pre-decrement and post-decrement. आता हे जे pre-decrement आहे, again it will work out in the same way that we are work out into the post-increment. ओके, फक्त फरक काय आहे की या कंडिशन मध्ये, आधीच्या कंडिशन मध्ये इन्क्रीमेंट मध्ये व्हॅल्यू इन्क्रीमेंट व्हायची. In here, if we are talking about the decrement, the value is going to be decrement. So a is equals to, if I declare the variable integer a is equals to 10 semicolon, and if I write down here pre-decrement minus a. Okay, see what is the output we are getting, minus a semicolon, minus a semicolon, and just going to write down here printf in bracket double quotes %d comma a, and give a semicolon. Now what the output we are getting, what the output we are expecting here, let's run it. So we are just getting 9. Okay, why? Because this value is decremented as same as that of your increment operator. Only the difference is that in increment value will be increased. Okay, and when you are going for decrement the value will be decreased. Am I clear guys?
Yes.
Clear to all of you? Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Simple logic is there to do. Simple thing we are going to be work out. So here if you want to go for the execution of this, we have to go with the simple. If you are increasing the value, we use plus. If you want to perform the decrement the value, we have to use minus. That's the thing we are going to work out. That's the thing we are going to execute. Now what the next thing is to do? Listen to me there. Here, as we want to do, as we want to execute, again post decrement a minus. Tell me what is the output? What is the output guys?
6.
6. Will it be 6?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me that. What the output we are getting? See, can you print 6? Why? Minus. Here 9, 8, 7 and 6. It will print 6. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Try to execute. Work out this. Expecting, हाँ, listen to me carefully, हाँ guys. चलिए, अब बताइए. Plus a semicolon. I am taken here again integer b is equals to 11 semicolon. Then I write down here minus b semicolon. A is equals to b plus semicolon, and just going to be print f the value of a and b %d comma a. Here I am going to be print the a is equals to, keep your answer ready, semicolon, printf b is equals to %d. So what the output we are expecting? Here we are write down b is equals to %d comma b. What is the output?
10, 11.
Sorry?
10, 11.
10, 11, all of you. Dhanashri,
11.
Megha.
Yes, sir. 11.
10, 11. Yes or no?
Sir, 11. Yes, sir.
11, 10. We are getting the answer 10, 11. Why? See, first of all, value of a 10. Plus a become 11. Minus b means what? 10. Then again a is equals to, we are going to be stored. What is the value of a here? Here we are getting what? 11. Then here we are
11.
getting 10. Then we are just
10.
post increment. See, post increment of the b. Post increment means what? It will assign the value first. Okay, it will assign the value first and then we will increment 10, and then the value of b is going to be increment, that is stored into the b. Am I clear, guys? Clear का तुम्हाला?
Yes, sir.
Clear ना? Try to execute. Note it down fast. समजलं नसेल परत सांगा, परत सांगा. Okay, but must be clear to each and every one. Your turn. A is equals to a plus minus b. Simple. What will be the outcome? Which are old and so on. What will be the value of a and what will be the value of b?
B is equal to 22 and B is equal to 11.
A is equals to 22
And B is equal to 10.
and b is equals to 10. One output we got. Remaining all. Anyone else? Yes, guys.
20 and 10. 20 and 11.
20 and 11. First
20
one,
and 10.
20 and 10. Anyone else?
Yes.
20 and
Sir, 19 and 11.
Chalo. 20 and 10. One we got. Second we got. So 20 and 10. One we got 19 and 11. त्याच्यानंतर
Yes.
अजून एक कोणतरी answer सांगितलं होतं. What one? 22. 22 and 22 and yes, 22 and
21 and 10.
sorry,
21 and 10.
21 and 10. Or
Yes.
और इसके अलावा anyone have some other output? Okay, let's run and check. So let's see. 20 and 10 is the right answer. How? See. आता पहा. A ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? 10 आहे. तर आधी काय होईल A ची व्हॅल्यू? इथे काय वर्कआउट होईल? Yes, guys. What the thing? It's a post, na? So it will take 10.
10.
बरोबर? Plus
Yes, sir.
pre-decrement आहे. म्हणजे B ची व्हॅल्यू काय होती? 11. So what it will print? 10 plus 10?
Yes.
10 plus 10?
20.
20.
20.
So in A, it's just going to be stored at 20. Are you getting me? And what happened with B? The value of B was firstly 10. Sorry, 11.
Decrement by 1.
Then it is going to be decrement by 1 now. So what it will print? It will print
10.
10. Simple logic is there. Simple logic is there. Note it down fast. Simple thing we are working with. One more question I had in my mind. Go fast. A plus plus and minus minus. What is that? Think and then do that. What will be the output of this program? If we came across the increment at
19.
19,
Yes, sir.
will it print 19?
19, sir.
Each value?
11, as it is.
7.
19 and 11.
19 and 11. Is it? Will it print
Yes, sir.
19 and 11? One line, and 11. So what did it print?
2011.
Now, what is the operation? How?
सर सिंगल ऑपरंट आहे ना इथे, सेम ऑपरंट आहे. त्याच्यावर ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म झाले म्हणून जे समजा पोस्ट इन्क्रीमेंट होते ना, ते पण ॲज अ सेम प्री इन्क्रीमेंट वाणी होते.
Okay. So what? How mathematical equation given? A plus plus means काय? त्यांची व्हॅल्यू काय होईल?
11.
आता याच्यानुसार जर विचार केला तर प्लस
येस सर.
मायनस मायनस घे ना,
येस सर.
मग काय व्हायला पाहिजे? काय
Nine.
यायला पाहिजे? 10 ना.
सॉरी सर. येस सर. 10.
आउटपुट काय यायला पाहिजे?
21.
21. काय येत आहे?
20.
आता काय असेल इश्यू? What the thing getting to? What the thing आता बघा, मी आणखी याच्यामध्ये थोडासा चेंज करूया, चेक करू. ओके, मी काय करतो, म्हणजे 3 लिस्ट. Now let's come and check the value of what we are getting again. 20. आता बघा, what the thing getting to? As I told you previously, आपण काय बोललो, जर तुमचं एक्सप्रेशन ओके सेम असेल तर तो तिथे इन्क्रिमेंटेड व्हॅल्यूला अलॉट करतात. आता हा प्रोग्राम काम कसा करतो समजून घ्या. ओके, ए प्लस प्लस म्हणजे काय आहे माझं? पोस्ट इन्क्रिमेंट आहे हे आहे ना, म्हणजे इथे व्हॅल्यू काय होईल
Yes, sir.
तुमची? but when you are going to be apply minus a, what the thing going to be execute? It will take the actual value. Are you getting me? काय बोलतो आपण काय करू? स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड विचार करणार आहे आपण. कसं? अरे ए ची व्हॅल्यू ए प्लस प्लस झाली म्हणजे इथे एल हा पोस्टमध्ये व्हॅल्यू इन्क्रीमेंट होईल, पण ती ॲज इट इज मेमरी लोकेशनला नाही जाता, ती इन्क्रिमेंटेड व्हॅल्यू इथे भेटते. हा जेव्हा ॲक्सेस करेल तेव्हा या केसमध्ये तो ॲक्शन तीच व्हॅल्यू ॲक्सेस करेल. 10 11 + 9 बिकम 20. मग क्लिअर लक्षात येते का तुमच्या? असं नो. आता क्वेश्चन सगळ्यात मोठा हा आहे की सर एवढं सगळं आणि कसं लक्षात ठेवायचं? तर काहीच नाही, फक्त 2 कन्सेप्ट तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचे आहेत. 2 कन्सेप्ट लक्षात ठेवायचे आहेत. एक, जर तुम्ही कधीही एक्सप्रेशन व्हॅल्यूसोबत अलॉट करत असाल, जसं की फॉर एक्झाम्पल मी ए प्लस प्लस आणि इथे जर 10 लिहिलं असतं तर काय झालं असतं? एची व्हॅल्यू 10 + 10 असं झालं असतं. पण मी जर इथे डायरेक्टली सिंगल ऑपरँड बेस काम करत असेल तर या केसमध्ये एक गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवायची, तो ज्या काही व्हॅल्यू इन्क्रीमेंट डिक्रीमेंट करेल तो इन्क्रीमेंट डिक्रीमेंट करेलच जेव्हा सेम ऑपरँड आहे. या साईडला बघा, इकडे काही घेणं देणं नाही आहे आपल्याला, पण त्याच्या रूट व्हॅल्यूपासून करेल. असं नो.
येस सर. येस सर.
Yes, sir.
How it will be 11 plus 9. So output is your 20 and 20 in future काम पड़ेगा. प्रॉपरली सगळं प्रॉपर सगळं नोट ठेवा. पुढे फ्युचरमध्ये आपण सगळ्या गोष्टी खाली करणार. आणि प्लॅन फॉर द टेस्ट फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट वीक. त्याच्यानंतर एक सेशन राहील तुमचा आता रिझ्यूम मेकिंग. हाऊ यू कॅन मेक युअर रिझ्यूम, what the point you have to add. Okay, and that will be given by the expert from the industries. चलो डन गाइस.
Yes, sir.
Simple now what the next story will be. See next. Now here to start with this execution we are just work out for the increment and decrement of आपण जे काही वर्कआउट करू that we are work out with the increment and decrement. Now what the next story I want to execute. Now I just want to go for the execution of next one. Now you can, what you do, you can do a lot of practices on this one, guys. Keep your practice on this. Okay, keep your practice on this. Just try to work out with the more practices on this. What the next story we have to do, what the next story we have to execute. What the next story you want to execute. Listen. Now here, if you want to go for the execution of, we are just work on with the first loop, that is a for. Okay, आपण जे काही वर्कआउट केलं त्याच्यामध्ये फॉर लूप आपण वापरला. And right now we are just go for the execution of increment and decrement operator. So you can put this increment and you can put these things into the increment and decrement operator. Okay, you guys can put this one with the numerous kind of operations. तुम्ही वेगवेगळ्या ऑपरेशन्सला याला वर्कआउट करू शकता. So what the next story I want to do, I just want to perform with the while loop execution. So if you are talking about the while loop, what is the structure of while loop, how this while loop will work? It's just going to be work out with the execution of simple thing, that is while true. Okay, while true means what? Here if condition will be met as an true, then it remains into the execution continuously. So rather than if we say if the condition will be 1, then it will remains into the execution till the end. जोपर्यंत इथे तुमचा 1 असेल, ट्रू कंडिशन असेल, तोपर्यंत तुमचा while loop हा एक्झिक्यूट होत राहतो. It will not stop anymore. So syntax of the while loop is, see, it is continuously executing hello. Okay, so syntax of the while loop is simply thing, that is syntax of the while loop is while then condition. Okay, so here we are passing the condition and it will execute till what time it remains as an true. जोपर्यंत while loop मध्ये पाठवलेली कंडिशन तुमची ट्रू राहील तोपर्यंत हा एक्झिक्यूट होत नाही. ओके, मग व्हॉट इज द फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम यू हॅव टू राईट आउट. मला हे सांगा, while loop समजला आहे का? व्हॉट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ while loop? यूज क्लिअर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mega clear? Okay now. So what is meant by while loop? A while loop is similar to that of what? For loop. But in for loop we pass 3 parameters. First one is initialization, second one is the condition, third one is the increment and decrement. But when we are going to be talk about the while loop, in while loop we have to only pass the condition first. Okay, while loop मध्ये आपण काय पास करतो तर फक्त कंडिशन पास करतो. We have to pass the condition into the while. No increment or decrement. So what the thing you have to write down now? I just want one program. I just want one program. What is the program I am expecting? Write a program to print hello world. Hello world, simple one. Hello world 4 times using for. 4 times using for. Okay, write a program to print hello world 4 times using for loop. Simple logic is there to work. Simple logic is there to work. Now your turn. Go first. What is the way to be go? I can write down the simple one. Okay. What a simple way we have to work on. What a simple way we have to execute. Here, I am just going to work out with a simple way. That is, I am just taking integer a is equals to 0 semicolon. While a remains less than 4. A will remains less than 4. Till I just expecting the execution. Okay. Till that I was just expecting the execution. So how we can implement this? Just simply you write down a plus plus. Or a is equal to
a plus plus.
a plus 1. Simple logic is there. ओके काय केलं काहीच मी फक्त कंडिशन चेक करतो काय कंडिशन चेक करतोय a ची व्हॅल्यू लेस दॅन 4 आहे की नाही ओके सो a ची व्हॅल्यू जर लेस दॅन 4 असेल तोपर्यंत हा एक्झिक्यूट होत राहिला पाहिजे नाहीतर हा एक्झिक्यूट नाही ओके मग काय होईल कसं वर्कआउट केलं जाईल कसं एक्झिक्यूट केलं जाईल आधी a ची व्हॅल्यू 0 आहे इथे येईल तुमच्या वाईल लूपमध्ये a ची व्हॅल्यू 0 आहे 0 इज लेस दॅन 4 येस प्रिंट हॅलो a इज इक्वल्स टू a प्लस 1 then a ची व्हॅल्यू 1 झाली 1 is less than 4 again print hello world again a ची व्हॅल्यू 2 होईल 2 is less than 4 yes print hello world 3 होईल 3 is less than 4 hello world 4 होईल 4 is less than 4
No sir.
no
Condition
4
false.
is not less than 4 4 is less than equals to 4 okay 4 is less than equals to 4 okay so that's the way we have to work out. That's the way we have to execute. Okay. So let me run and check. So what output are running? Hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world. Cleared all of it? Okay. Now the next one.
Yes sir. Yes.
Now you have to write down a program to print even and odd element in between 1 to 10 using while loop. Write a program to print. Write a program to print even and odd element. Even and odd element. Odd element. Even and odd element. Write a program to print even and odd element using while. Go fast. You are done. Go fast. Write a program between even and odd element using while loop. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
And now simple logic is there, guys. Simple logic is there.
Done, sir.
So, moving on. Mega done. Manashri done. Navneet, Manashri. Manashri done. Harish done. Chalo done. Simple logic is there.
Done, sir. Yes, sir.
Now what the next thing?
Done, sir.
Another thing. No. This one. Now here we are just working with the while loop and we are just going for the execution of while loop. So what is the next thing we have to do? What is the next thing we have to execute? Now as we are worked out with the execution of this, I just want to know, simple logic is there. Let me explain you about the while loop. Let me explain you about this condition. The man numbers of program we can work out. See, integer I is equal to 0, I is less than 4, and I told you to write down or print the element which are even or odd in between this all. So what I can do, while a is less than equals to 10, I just put the condition less than equals to 10 and then going to be print here, then going to be print here, check here if the given number is even or odd. How we can check? आता इथे तर I वगैरह नाही आहे. So if जर what the thing a modulus of 2 is equals to 0, then opening brace shift, and here I am going to be write down again closing brace. Okay, what it means, if a modulus of 2 is equals to 0, we have to write down here p1. Okay, and then going to be write down, I want to print this one now, so I can write down percent d comma a, comma. Okay, so simple thing is that let's try 0 2 4 6 8 and 10. It will just print these are the even number. Okay, you can put the else condition and you can just write down simply one that else is nothing but odd number as well. That else is nothing but the odd number as well. Get out fast. Then we just want to go for some conditional checking. What will be the output of some important programs we just want to knock out. Let me know once it is done, let's go fast. I just need the access. Chalo, done guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what the next story we have to do? What the next story we have to do? Now, I have one more doubt. I have one more question. Going to be write down here. Printf. Case study we are doing now. I guess. What is output?
Sir, ibase infinite time.
ibase infinite time. Is it?
Yes, sir.
ibase infinite time.
Yes, sir.
All of you, lock किया जाए.
Yes, sir.
Here ना. Why? Because the value of a is not going to be increment or decrement. Always the value of a remain. What?
Zero.
Value of a remain
Zero.
0. And 0 is
Zero.
always less than 10. Right now.
Yes.
So no. So that the way we can work out, that the way we can execute. Simple logic is there too. Simple logic is there too. One more question I have. One more question. Just to what you have to work out first. Full print, I was infinite.
Infinite time.
Okay. The next one. If I write down here a is equals to a plus 1 then. Now
11 times.
11 time.
11 times.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So no, all of you lock किया जाए.
Yes, sir.
Why did you will giving me the output? Giving in output? It will print infinite time. Why? Can anyone tell me the answer of this question?
A always equal to zero.
Why? Why it not going to be increment?
Because of the condition can always true anytime.
Condition can be always to any time. So what is the meaning of
Opening and closing brace.
ओपनिंग आणि क्लोजिंग ब्रेस मी दिलेले नाही आहे. आठवत असेल तर फॉर लूपमध्ये आपण एक गोष्ट वर्कआउट केली होती. जर तुम्ही व्हाईल लूपला एक्झिक्यूट करत असाल आणि व्हाईल लूप एक्झिक्यूट करताना किंवा फॉर लूप एक्झिक्यूट करताना किंवा इफ लूप एक्झिक्यूट करताना तुम्ही ओपनिंग ब्रेस आणि क्लोजिंग ब्रेस नाही दिले आणि तुम्ही इन्स्टंटली त्याच्यानंतर एक स्टेटमेंट दिलं तर त्याच्यानंतरचे जे स्टेटमेंट आहे तेच फक्त एक्झिक्यूट होईल. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear now? Got it, guys? Try to work out that way. Put it down properly and print the ibase infinite time. Again the next one. It will print the ibase infinite time. Simple logic. कधीही लक्षात ठेवायचं. जर तुम्ही लुपिंग करत आहात सी मध्ये असो की जावामध्ये पण सेमच आउटपुट येतं तर त्या केसमध्ये फॉर लूपच्या जो एक्झॅक्ट लूप असतो ओके फॉर लूपचा जो एक्झॅक्ट लूप असतो तो तुम्ही वर्कआउट करू शकता. ओके इथे आपल्याला फक्त इमिजिएट स्टेटमेंटलाच एक्झिक्युशन करू. इन दॅट केस you came across the execution immediate you can come across the execution of immediate statement just below of your loop. Now here
Yes, sir.
the first You're done?
Yes, sir.
Now, what the next to do? What the next to do? So here, you have to just execute. Simple. What is the output of this? Take semicolon add के
Compiler error.
but it cause compile time error.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Megha. Dhanashri, what do you think? मला फक्त चुकीचे आन्सर दिले तरी चालेल. हे बघा, चुकीचे आन्सर दिले तरी चालेल, पण ऍटलीस्ट काहीतरी आन्सर द्या. येस पियुष, नवनीत. What will be the output of this program? Can anyone tell me what is the output of this program? Yes, please.
Runtime error energy.
Runtime error. Piyush,
Yes.
what do you think?
Execute नाही होणार.
Execute होणार नाही. It will cause the error.
Yes, sir.
Will it execute, Dhanashri?
No, sir.
No.
Don't listen.
Should I run? एक
Yes.
सेमीकोलन फक्त काय डिफरन्स देऊ शकतो लक्ष. What is the output? No error. It print a blank. Okay, it will print a blank. Why it will print a blank? का blank print करेल? कारण C तुम्ही while loop नंतर जर immediate semicolon दिला, the meaning of this statement is while loop is close here. Okay, while loop is close here. It just terminate and exit is all things. Am I clear, guys?
सर याला आपण एरर म्हणू शकतो की मग व्हॅल्यू प्रिंट म्हणू शकतो.
Option you are getting blank output.
सर ऍक्च्युअली एक्झिक्युशन एरर नाही का सर?
नाही जरा तुम्ही एक्झिक्युशन एरर नाही ओके का नाही म्हणू शकतो. ॲक्च्युली मला स्क्रीनवर जर काही एरर असेल आता सी मध्ये हा एक्झिक्युशन एरर नसतोच शक्यतो. ठीक आहे, कधी येईल एक्झिक्युशन एरर? जेव्हा तुम्ही स्कॅनएफ फंक्शन यूज करून आहे ना तेव्हाच फक्त तुम्हाला एक्झिक्युशन एररचा प्रॉब्लेम येऊ शकतो. समजा रन टाईम मी इंटिजर इनपुट मागितलं पण त्या केसमध्ये पण काही ना काही कुठे तो कंपायलर कन्वर्ट करून देतो. मोस्ट प्रोबॅबिली सी मध्ये रन टाईम एरर येतच नाही. आपल्याला सगळ्यात जास्त रन टाईम एरर जावामध्ये पाहतो. ओके, वर्किंग ऑफ दिस रन टाईम एरर मी गोइंग टू रेफर इनटू दैट. क्लियर? दॅट द स्टोरी.
सर मग हा एरर नाही झाला ना?
नाही, हा error नाही. हा तुम्हाला तुम्ही जेव्हा वर्कआउट कराल तेव्हा लिस्टमध्ये तुम्हाला ऑप्शन येईल ब्लँक. क्लियर?
Yes.
Okay, so that the thing simple. आणि ही कंडिशन मी पाहिजे चुकलं तरी चालेल पण ॲटलीस्ट काही तरी
Error, sir.
एरर सर.
हरीश
Error.
एरर. Piyush What do you think?
Error, sir.
It will cause compile time error because in while loop only one parameter will be accepted. Now I check. Let me move down fast. Now, one more. मी याला काढून टाकतो कॉमापासून. वर जाऊ. Again, we will cross here.
Yes, sir.
Error pass. Should I run?
Error is possible.
Correct?
Skip करायचं.
So, are you getting my point? काय होतं? असा वर्कआउट करतो पण सीचा व्हॅल्यू a is less than 10, a plus plus, okay, a is less than 10, a plus plus, won't print anything, ना काहीच print नाही करत. So what is and thing getting to be worked out? We don't know how this program is going to be executed, but it will print only that a is less than equals to 10, h value less than equals to 10, comma a ला मी plus plus केला, okay, I just pass the second kind of parameter and this is going to be executed. So what is the output we are getting in this case? We are just getting first option, it will print nothing, it will execute the loop and we go back. Okay, आता इथे कंडिशन ही आहे की हा कसा वर्कआउट करतो, कुठल्या वेळी वर्कआउट करतो, कुठे एक्झिट, दॅट वी नीड टू ते लक्षात आहे कसं काय चाललं सगळं. इट्स नाव कन्फ्युजिंग. ओके, जस्ट अगेन ब्लँक ऑफ क्लिअर. आता याच्या मागे आहे तुमच्या फाईल लूपचा मॅप. ओके, आता मी अजून एक इथे वर्कआउट करतो. आय इज लेस दॅन इक्वल्स टू 10, सॉरी ए इज लेस दॅन इक्वल्स टू 10 अँड ए इज ग्रेटर दॅन 4. आणि आता काय करतो जो ए प्लस प्लस ए इज इक्वल्स टू ए प्लस 1. नाउ लेट्स चेक what the outcome is. Again it will come. Nothing is going to be done. Okay. Now, what is the execution of output? In what way it's just going to be? What are the if you are passing more than one expression into the while loop, then what the thing is going to be out? Okay, what the thing going to work out? 0 less than equals to 10, comma 0 is greater than 4. आता पहा इम्पॉर्टंट गोष्ट हे लक्षात घेऊन 1 2 3 4 आणि चॅलेंज देतो तुमच्या अकॅडमिक्समध्ये हा प्रोग्राम लिहायचा तुम्ही आणि क्लासमधल्या तुमच्या फ्रेंड्सला त्याचा आउटपुट विचारायचा and check what is the number. Okay, a is less than equals to 10 आणि a is less than 4. ते समजतंय का तुम्हाला? यांनी प्रिंट केलं आहे this किती वेळा 1 2 3 4 टाइम्स प्रिंट केलं म्हणजे 0 1 2 3 4 टाइम्स प्रिंट टाइम्स. समजतंय का काय होतं? राईट, दिस इज माय फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन. हा, दिस इज माय सेकंड एक्सप्रेशन. म्हणजे काय, व्हाईल लूपमध्ये तुम्ही जर n नंबर्स ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन पास करत असाल, पहिलं एक्सप्रेशन ट्रू असेल आणि सेकंडही एक्सप्रेशन ट्रू असेल तरच व्हाईल लूप एक्झिक्यूट करेल. एची व्हॅल्यू आता हा इटरेशन कसे परफॉर्म करेल पहा. आधी चेक करेल एची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे, लेस दॅन 10 आहे का? सो नो.
येस सर. येस सर.
परत एची व्हॅल्यू लेस दॅन 4 आहे का?
येस सर.
आहे. म्हणजे लूप काय होईल तुमचा, ट्रू होईल. कशाला प्रिंट करेल, आय बेसला प्रिंट करेल. हा प्रोग्राम तुम्ही आजपर्यंत आयुष्यात नसेल बघितलं, सीला वर्कआउट केला असेल Okay, so here the value become 1 now. 1 is less than 10 आहे का?
Yes, sir.
1 is less than 4 आहे का?
Yes, sir.
Both condition true.
Yes, sir.
Both expressions are true. So it will print
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
best.
sir.
Again
I
2.
best.
2 is less than 10.
Yes, sir.
Less than 4. Yes. Again 3. 3 is less than 10. Yes. 3 is less than
Print
4.
I best.
Yes. Again print I best. Now it become 4. Now first condition is going to be true. 4 is less than 4 become false. Getting my point. It
Yes,
exit. Am I clear? Cleared all of you? One of the important
Yes,
program.
sir.
Most
Yes,
of
sir.
the student answer
Yes,
will
sir.
cause definitely error. Most of the student will give the answer here. It will cause a error. It will cause a error. So here what you have to write down. Here it will not cause the error. It will print I base. How much time? 4 times.
4 times.
4 times. Why? Because it will check first expression whether it is true or not. Second expression is true or not. When the all expressions are true, then and only then it will execute. If I write down here a is greater than 4, it won't execute. Why it won't execute? Because the second condition is not going to become 0 is greater than 4. No.
Yes.
Second condition false. So it won't execute the second expression. As the second expression, it will check for first expression, then we will check for second expression, then we will check for third expression, fourth, fifth, whatever the numbers of expression you can pass, you can check it out. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.